Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will cover a hollow half diamond pattern, which will look like this. So let's see what the solution is. Let's go on our whiteboard. So as we discussed in previous videos, we will draw our pattern in a paper like this. This is our first step. This is all our first step to draw our pattern in like this and draw some boxes and write the number, write the columns and the rows number. This side we will go I. This is J. So by this we will know from where I start and where it ends. Or in this we will know from where I J start and from where this J gonna end. So let's after knowing this, we have to go to the our program body. Here we created class main function. In this we have created two for loops. One is for I, second for J. So in this J will run from 1. I will run from 1 to 5. I will run from 1 to 5. Here 5. And J will run from 1 to 9. 1 to 9. So our J will run 1 to 9. So this is our I loop and this is our J loop. Okay. So in this we create a if condition. If this condition gonna true, our star will print. Okay. And if this condition gonna false, then in else part the space gonna print here. Here the space gonna print. Okay. And each and every time this J loop gonna end, our println for the next line also execute system dot out dot print ln here, right? That's all. So this is our code. So all we need to do is just write a logic here in this if condition, and each and every time we need to print the star, this condition gonna be true, and each and every time we need to print a space, this condition gonna be false. Okay, so let's create our logic. So this is our pattern. After this first step, what's our second step is? Our second step is to doing this. Yeah. Let me adjust some things. Okay. So what's our second step is? So doing this. So all we did in this, we write out the position where the star is printed. So when I is 1, star printed at 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. When I is 2, star print from 1 2 3 4, not 5, and then 6 7 8 9. When I is 3, it will print 1 2 3, and it's the same. First step is this, second step is this. We do not need to think much. Just do first step here, then do the second step. After doing this, all we need just how can I simplify this section in a this is in a numerical way. How can we convert this in a logical way, in a programming way, which will be revolve around the J loop. So we will consider one. We will consider from the middle, like we are doing always, like this. We will consider this here. Okay, this is so light. Okay, so we consider this. So in 3, can we say 3 is when I is 3, then J is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 9? Yeah, it is true, but is this true in each and every case? So we do not consider this. If I write J is greater than equals to 1 and J is less than equals to 9, then each and every time this line gonna print 1 to 9, 1 to 9, 1 to 9. We need to cover this space from the middle. So what our logic can be? So our logic can be here. Can we write J here? Can we write yeah, let me type it. Can we write J in the case of 3? We will be discussing this. Can we say J is less than equals to, now J is less than equals to 3? I will be discussing about this section only. This is 3 and less than 3, and J is greater than equals to 7. Okay, so either this is 7 or greater than 7, and either this is 3 and less than 3. So this condition will match for this section, this third position. So what we can do next, we will write this section, this line for each and every time. So how it looks, this will look like this. When I is 3, j is less than equals to 3 and greater than equals to 7. In case of 2, when I is 2, j is greater than equals to 4, and less than equals to 4 and greater than equals to 6. Okay, or same, what do you understand what I have written here? I will explain this too. When I is 4, j is less than equals to 2, and j is greater than equals to 2. By this logic, we will ignore this section of in middle, which we do not need to print. So each and every time this condition match, is this section going to execute, and this condition going to false, this space is going to print. So this is our first step, second step, and third step. After this third step, what we can do, we will create from this logic into a one line logic, which we need to put in that if statement, and our star is gonna be print and gonna shine them. So what we can do, so we'll create our logic with the help of this I, which is 1 2 3 4 5 in an increasing manner. Each and every time I is 1, we need here 5, within 4 3 2 1, which is decreasing, 5 6 7 in an increasing manner. So you have an idea if you watched my last video. So this is similar to them, but in a reverse. This time either this side gonna be in decreasing and this side gonna be increasing. So what we will do, firstly we write our code j j j is less than equals to something, and j is greater than equals to something. Okay, so this is, yeah. So what I can do, so compare, build a logic. So can we do one thing? This is in a decreasing manner. So if I do 6 minus 5, 6 minus I, then in this case 6 minus I, then each and every time 6 minus I, when I is 1, this will be 5, and 6 minus 2, this is going to be 4, 6 minus 3, this is going to be 3, 6 minus 4, this is going to be 2, 6 minus 5, this is going to be 1. So what if I write here 6 minus I? Okay, so you can see this matched with the this section. Each and every I is this, and 6 minus I will get them in a right position. And what about this? This is an increasing manner. So what this is in an increasing manner, right? So what if I write 4 plus I? Each and every time 4 plus I, each and every time when I is 1, 4 plus I, 5, when I is 2, 4 plus 2, 6, when I is 3, 4 plus 3, 7. So this is so easy if you understand the logic. This is 4 minus I, this is 4 minus I. So we will put our 4, this is our main step 4 and the main logic we need to build for all. Now we just simply copy this and put this in our if statement here. After putting this statement here, all we need to just print this statement, and our star gonna be print. So there is no error there. Just let us run. Yeah, let's see. Something went wrong. The 6 minus I is from 1 to 5. Okay, so in this code, so firstly this is 4 plus I. So as we discussed here, this is 4 plus I. This is an increasing manner. 4 plus I. 4 plus I is 5. 4 plus I is 6. 4 plus I, which is 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So here we will write 4 plus I. Okay, and in this case, in this special case, what we want, either we want both case. If this case will happen, this will happen, and this also this case also be true, and this case also be true. We do not need from us both one of them both. Okay, so basically we will not write and operator, we will write or operator here. We will write or operator here, and same as here also. This in this condition here or operator going to define. So here in our if condition here we will write or operator. Then j less than equals to 6 minus I, or j is greater than equals to 4 plus I in or operator. Okay, so now we can run this. Let's run it. Okay, so this is our output as we wanted. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.